Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am your teacher J.A.Dar. Yesterday we studied two important physical properties of metals, that is malleability and ductility. Today we are going to discuss other physical properties of metals. Number third physical property of metals is that metals are good conductors of heat. By saying that metals are good conductors of heat, we mean that metals allow heat to pass through them easily. Silver metal is the best conductor of heat. Is the best conductor of heat. Copper and aluminium, they are also good conductors of heat. Copper and aluminium, they are also good conductors of heat. The cooking utensils in our homes and water boilers are usually made of copper and aluminium metals. So this was third property of metals. Metals are good conductors of heat. Next is metals are good conductors of electricity. The metals, they offer very little resistance. They offer very little resistance to the flow of electric current. Resistance, it is the property of a conductor or property of a material by which it opposes the flow of current through it. So metals, they have very low resistance. So when they have very low resistance, they show high electrical conductivity. So metals show high electrical conductivity. Again, silver metal is the best conductor of electricity. Best conductor of electricity. Copper, gold and aluminium, they are also good conductors of electricity. Copper, gold, aluminium and tungsten and another metal, these are also good conductors of electricity. We usually see electric wires in our houses, like they are made up of copper and aluminium. So the electric wires in our homes, they are usually made of copper and aluminium because these are good conductors of electricity. The electric wires that carry current in our homes have a covering. They have a covering of plastic, such as PVC, which is called polyvinyl chloride. This PVC, it is an insulator. It's an insulator. Insulator is a material which does not allow electric current to flow through it. Hence, this PVC prevents us from electric shock. This PVC, it prevents us from electric shock. Another property of metals is metals are lustrous or shiny, and they can be polished The shiny appearance of metals makes them useful in making jewelry. So this shiny appearance of metals makes them useful in making jewelry. For example, gold and silver are used for making jewelry because they have a shiny appearance. The shiny appearance of metals also makes them good reflectors of light. It is due to shiny appearance that they are good reflectors of light. For example, silver metal is an excellent reflector of light. This is another physical property of metals, that is metals have a shiny appearance. So they are used in making jewelers, and also they are good reflectors of light. Some other physical properties of metals are that metals are generally hard except sodium and potassium. Metals are generally hard and strong. Except sodium and potassium, they are soft. Metals are solids at room temperature. All metals are solids at room temperature except mercury, Hg. Mercury, we all know it is a liquid at room temperature. Metals have high melting points and boiling points except sodium and potassium. Another one is metals have high densities. They have high densities except sodium and potassium. Metals are sonorous. Another property of metals is that they are sonorous. Sonorous means they make a sound when hit with an object. They make a sound when they are, or when they hit with an object. So sonorous means metals make a sound when we hit with an object. Metals usually have another physical property of metals is that they usually have a silver or gray color. Metals usually have a silver or gray color except copper. Copper has a reddish brown color. And gold has we all know it is a yellow color.